Hey,
Hey.
I have a quick question for you.
Yes.
Do you learn how to live stream on your X1C?
Yes.
Obviously.
Obviously.
Great. Alright guys, so the first step is going to be getting authorized from YouTube to be able to live stream. So let's start there. Right here, you're going to get this pop-up if this is the first time you've tried to live stream, so we'll go ahead and click request. It'll bring you back to YouTube Studio. Once this loads, it should let us know what time we'll be allowed to. Yep, there we go. So tomorrow at 11:11 a.m., I'll be able to go ahead and live stream. So if this is the first time you've tried to do this, go ahead and pause the video and come back once this says you can go live. Alright, so your timer's down to 0 and you're able to go live. So there's going to be a couple things we need to do here. Again, we're going to be acting as if we're doing this from scratch. So the first step will be to download Bambu Studio. I'm going to go ahead and download the Windows 64-bit version. The link to this will be in the video description as well. Once we get that downloaded, we're going to go ahead and set it up. So just quickly go through here and accept all of this. Then we're going to let it install. Alright, so the installation's been completed, so we'll go ahead and click next. You can do whatever you want to do here. I'm just going to let that happen since this is a demo computer. We'll close that, and it should open up Bambu Studio. If it doesn't, go ahead and let it open up. Once inside, you'll go ahead and click Get Started, and then go through this however applies to you. We'll click Skip, Next, Next. Then we're going to need to install the Bambu Network plugin, so we'll let that happen. We're going to go ahead and click Allow Access. Then OK. If you don't have a Bambu Lab account, you're going to have to make one. I do, so I'm going to go ahead and log into mine. Alright, we're logged in, so I'll go ahead and exit out of the window that it opened. I'm not going to sync this for the time being, but if you want to, you totally could. Now, once we have Bambu logged in, we'll go to Device. You're going to go to your Bambu Lab X1C. Now, we'll go ahead and click on the camera settings, and then you should see Go Live and Resolutions. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Go Live, and it's going to let me know that I need to install the virtual camera tools, so I'll click OK. Allow access. Awesome. Now, we're going to go ahead and minimize Bambu Studio. Again, you can use the link in the description for this as well, but we're going to go ahead and download OBS Studio. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and exit out of OBS, and we can exit out of the Bambu Studio website. We're going to go ahead and install OBS Studio. And we're going to launch it. Now here, you can do whatever you want, but I'm going to optimize for streaming because that's what we're trying to do. It's going to ask you what you want to do here. I would recommend 1920 by 1080, but you can do the inverse if you'd like to stream to shorts instead of just regular YouTube. And then we're going to do YouTube, and we're going to use the Connect Account feature. Alright, once we've connected our account, it should show here. It's going to ask if you want to do a bandwidth test, so you can absolutely do that or not. I'm going to go ahead and do that. It doesn't take very long. All right, the test's completed, so we'll just go ahead and click on Apply Settings. Exit out of this chat. And then you can sign in here if you want to be able to see your viewers and whatnot. It's not that important to me, so we're going to leave it as is. You can even exit out of it and get a bigger window. Now, from here, what we'll do is go ahead and click on Add Source, and then we are going to click on Media Source. You don't have to name this, but I like naming it in case you want to add more sources. Now, you're going to unclick Local File. Under Input, you're going to copy and paste what's in the video description. And then you're going to change username to whatever the account username is on the account for Windows that you're using. So for me, it's Aaron. Now we're going to go down here. And under ffmpeg, you'll go ahead and copy the next thing. It should look like that. Now, once you do that, you can go ahead and click OK. We're going to allow access. We'll give it a minute, and there we are. That's the live view from the printer. Now, once we have that inside of OBS, we'll go ahead and click on Manage Broadcast. Here's where you will title whatever you want your broadcast to be, the description, privacy settings, and whatnot. Once you fill all of this out, you just go ahead and click Create Broadcast and start streaming, and you'll be live.